Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to set a 2.5 lab tab stop in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to set a tab stop 2.5. Click inside the text box. Then go to the paragraph settings option. Then go to the tab settings and we can see here open a window. Then we select this default tab stop and write 2.5. Then click OK. Then click before the text and press tab on our keyboard. And we can see we set the tab stop 2.5 very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.